Everybody, welcome to another episode of DeLorean Tech, and today we are going to walk you through the process of installing this. Okay, so there is a little sound box in there that you can get on Amazon for about maybe 18 bucks. You buy that and you connect it to your top door pin switch here. It's not actually connected to the vehicle itself. I've installed mine here in the air conditioning vent just to increase some resonance and make it a little bit louder. You can also install them underneath the dash or wherever you want, but I'm going to show you the basic wiring on how to make this happen. So the unit you're going to buy is the one with a 10-inch extension play button right here. They have another one that does not have that. That is the one you do not want to buy. Okay, so this easy sound box, again, it's available on Amazon, and it's good for all sorts of stuff, and we're going to use it in the DeLorean. So it comes with this double-ended 3.5 millimeter plug that you can plug into the side jack right here, and then you plug that into your device. So it could be a mobile phone, it can be a laptop, anything that you can use to connect basically headphones to and play sound effects on. You connect that to the side and you basically play the sound. This records it, and now you can trigger that with the button that's on the side. So here's the unit itself. This is kind of what it looks like. It takes 3 AAA batteries. And what you do is it comes with this double-sided 3.5 millimeter stereo jack that you connect in the little stereo connector right here. Then you plug this into either an iPhone or a laptop, and basically you play a sound. Once you play that sound, you press this button right here on the front and it'll record that sound. So what I've done is I went ahead and connected this to my laptop and played the Back to the Future DeLorean time machine door opening sound effect. And in order to test it, you just click on this little button right here. So you just
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
The way I see it, if you're gonna build a time machine into a car, why not do it with some style?
So the unit comes with this wired button right here that basically turns the sound effect on or off, plays it. That's going to have to be cut off, and then what you do is you take the wire here and you just connect that both of these wires to your door pin switch. So this has to be cut off. It's better to cut it off right at the connection point right there so you maintain the length of the wire. Okay, so we're just gonna cut the little button off the wire here. So you just take some wire cutters and then just go ahead and try to cut as close to the button as you can. Then you just separate two wires from each other. They're very thin gauge wire. So what you want to do is you want to split them like that, and then you're going to want to strip them. Like I said, they're very thin gauge wire, so you're probably going to have to use one of the smallest settings on your strippers. Got that one. And that one there. Then you're going to want to use a couple of these female wire connectors. These will actually be plugged into the door pin switch in the DeLorean. You just connect these to the ends of the wires and you're good to go. Okay, so now we're ready to install it. We've got the connectors on the wire, and we'll go ahead and install this. So we're gonna install the sound box in this DeLorean. So in this car, we're just gonna use the bottom one because he has his door lights connected to the top one. We'll just go ahead and use the bottom one. It's really arbitrary which one you use. So that's the mechanism right there, and we're just going to go ahead and make the connection. So there's the connection right there. And it's really arbitrary which one you connect these to. It's just a switch that enables the sound to play. So all you do, once you make the connection, is you just run it into this air conditioning duct right here, throw it in there, adds a little bit of resonance, and then you just put that thing back on there and you're good to go. Very easy. Alright guys, well, that's the video. Thanks for watching.